Hello and welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is chortle. It is pronounced chortle, and it is spelt Chortle. Think chort and then L-E. A chortle is a joyful or amused laugh, often described as a chuckling or snorting sound. It's a sound of pleasure or amusement, often used to express contentment or mirth. For example, you could say, he let out a chortle when he heard the joke, or the baby's chortles filled the room. The word chortle was created by Lewis Carroll in his short book, Jabberwocky. It was made from the combination of chuckle and snort. It's been used so frequently since its creation that it is now actually accepted as a real word in English, and it can even be found in the dictionary. Synonyms for chortle are giggle, titter, snicker, and chuckle. Antonyms for chortle include sob, wail, and cry. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, chortle. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.